Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I'm so excited for this video because we're going to be talking all about my July favorites. I've got some makeup, some jewelry, a shirt that was a gift, a lot of great things to talk about. Let's just go ahead and start off with the jewelry because this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. I've worked with them so many times and it's because I truly love their jewelry. So I have a few new pieces to share with y'all. But if you haven't heard of Ana Luisa before, they're a jewelry company based in New York. They're actually carbon neutral. They have such beautiful, high quality pieces. I really love them because I prefer more of like a dainty, elegant style to my jewelry, and I feel like that is what they deliver 100%. I've been wearing these nonstop since I got them. So first off, I'll tell you guys what I'm wearing right now. So I have this little necklace, which is so cute. It is their Libra necklace. I actually have the same exact one, like the same style as the Taurus, because I am a Taurus and I think it's so cute. But I ended up getting the Libra because my boyfriend's a Libra. I'm low-key a simp, but I also just thought that the jewelry in general was super, super cute, and like the little woman holding like the balancing scale, like I just thought it was a really cool necklace. So I got it for both reasons, but I think it's so, so cute. And again, it's something a little bit different, but it's still really, really small and just looks really nice. And then in my ears right now, I do have this little pair from Ana Luisa, which I got a while back from them, so I'm not sure if they're still available, but these ones are newer. These are the Toda earrings in the shade Sky Blue, and I just think they're a really cute pair of double hoops. And then the other piece I wanted to share with y'all that is my absolute favorite. I just think it is so cute and dainty, but also just very, very unique. This is the LAKEY necklace. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is just a tiny little woman's body. I just thought it was so cool and unique and something a little bit different for me, but I have been wearing it all the time. I don't know, I just love it. I do have a discount code with Ana Luisa. That is just AMYLOVES10. It saves you 10% off their entire site. So I will have them linked down below. Definitely recommend checking them out. So thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump into the rest of my favorites. Okay, so jumping into makeup, I've definitely been really, really busy this month. So I feel like that is reflected in the products I have to talk about today. I actually don't even have any eyeshadows because I've been super, super lazy, wearing like one matte shade through my crease and then a highlighter in my inner corner through my lid, just like I did with my makeup today, which actually I did film a tutorial for Patreon, but you'll see all my favorites reflect that like super quick, easy, no time to mess around kind of vibes. So I have two different like base products with similar vibes. One is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. I have been using this constantly. It's just a really good, simple tinted moisturizer. It does say, I believe, this has, yes, it says it has SPF 19 in it. It is pretty hydrating. I normally just spread it all over my skin with my fingers, and it's just quick, easy, to the point. It offers minimal coverage, and it's pretty natural on the skin, so it's not like extra glowy, but I just feel like it's a really, really good base for quick, everyday, don't have any time kind of makeup. So I've been reaching for that a ton, and I mean, it's kind of hard to tell in the tube because it does fill back up, but I'm pretty sure like I'm at least like halfway done this. There's a lot missing because I have been using this so much. And then another one that I've been reaching for specifically because I do have just a little bit of a tan going on. I feel like I've been enjoying this product more than I did initially. I mean, I thought it was a good product, but now it just works a little bit easier for me. So this is the Glowish by Huda Beauty Multi-Dew Skin Tint. This is, again, same kind of vibe, but different because I feel like it does have a little bit more thickness to it. You can feel it on the skin a little bit more. I feel like it has maybe just a tiny bit more coverage, but it's also super, super glowy. So this has definitely been my go-to for when I want more of that like really beautiful glowing skin kind of moment. This one is in the shade 01 Fair, which, like I said, I wish that they had one shade lighter than this because right now it is pretty much perfect for my skin. But I know as summer ends that this is slowly going to match me less and less. So that is my one con with it. But it is really, really beautiful on the face. But like I said, a little bit thicker than the L'Oreal one. But same vibes. I've been all about the skin tint life. Okay, I also have a concealer to mention that I've been loving that I'm wearing today. This is the LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer, and I have the shade LG1. This is another one that I'm liking more because it is summer right now and the shade matches a little bit better, because initially when I got this, I felt like it was like exactly the shade of my skin tone and it did not brighten at all. I didn't like using it underneath my eyes just because of the shade, but now I've been using it underneath my eyes and I feel like it is such a beautiful concealer. I don't know that I would say like it's the most full coverage. Like, I don't think you're gonna put this on and go like, wow, that's so much coverage. Not at all. But I feel like it is a lot of coverage in the terms of still being a natural concealer, like just like perfectly somewhere in the middle. It has a really beautiful glow to it. I feel like it does not look dry underneath the eyes. I have it under my eyes today. I mean, I feel like it looks really good. I did not set it with powder. I didn't add anything else, no color corrector, anything like that. So I feel like it gives me a good amount of coverage, but it also just looks nice on the skin. I'm so over concealers that look drying under the eyes. I just don't have time for it. So I've been really enjoying this one. Also, like, I just think the packaging is so cool on it as well. Okay, so next I have two different highlighters that I've been reaching for, just depending on the occasion. The one that I have been using the most is definitely the Alamar La Costa highlighter. I mean, this is just so beautiful. So this is the highlighter I was talking about that I have all over my eyes today. I have it on my cheeks. It's just the most beautiful glow, and it's such a creamy formula that I feel like it works really well for eyeshadow. I mean, you can see like it just catches the light so beautifully. I am obsessed. I know I've mentioned it in like multiple favorites videos, but the obsession continues and I've just been wearing it all month, and I feel like you guys can tell that there's a lot of usage happening there. It's just so good. Perfect shade. I feel like it looks so pretty on the cheeks. I actually went in with a little bit more today than I meant to initially, but still the glow is so pretty. And then I've been liking this liquid highlighter. This is the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin Elevated Glow. So here's what it looks like, and the shade is Crystal Nebula. So what I've been liking to use this for is like a highlighting like base under my skin, specifically when I'm going in with a foundation that has like a little bit of a lighter amount of coverage to it. I've been just adding this to my cheekbones first for like a little extra glow, just right here in this area. It feels silly even calling it a favorite for that because it is such a small step in my makeup routine. I don't know, it feels very bougie because this is kind of an expensive product, but I feel like it just has a really pretty glow to it, and it also kind of like dries down on your skin. So I feel like when you put the layer of foundation over it, if you're like stippling, it kind of really does go over it without just like mixing it and getting everywhere. It kind of stays where I wanted it to be and where I placed it at to begin with. I don't know that I would recommend purchasing it for that alone, but it is what I have been reaching for. And then the last face product I have to share with y'all is literally the best. I am obsessed. The more I use it, the more I can't get enough. This is the Melt Golden Hour Cream Blush Light. The formula of this is everything. So I pulled this back out for like blushes I was recommending for summer, and I kid you not, since then I have been using this almost every single day. All of my other blushes are just being forgotten about because this one is so good. So I mean, you guys can see it's kind of a mess happening in here, but the formula of this is just so beautiful. It has such a nice glow to it. I feel like it's kind of hard to overdo. I just stipple it on my cheeks and I feel like it is so pretty. This has been in my like to-go makeup bag, but just kind of get a little swatch to show you. It's a really beautiful, just light, kind of peachy, glowy shade. So there's what that one looks like. That is definitely my favorite. I also have the shade Polished from them, which I've been reaching for as well because this formula is so good. I am very tempted to buy more of them. Actually, I feel like next time Melt has like a good sale, low-key I want to buy more because I think it's become my favorite cream blush formula. It's just so pretty on the cheeks, so easy to use. I just I can't get enough of the glow that it gives because I feel like it really is a glow. There's no sparkle, there's no shimmer, it just looks like a wet blush on your cheeks, and I'm living for it. Okay, so my last favorite is a gift that my boyfriend got me, but I just had to share with y'all in case any of you are Harry Styles fans. I feel weird linking it because I haven't looked for it. I'm not sure where he bought it exactly, but I'm sure if you look maybe on Amazon you could find it. But he felt like I needed a shirt that was like, I'm a Harry Styles fan, but it wasn't so obvious. So this is it. You guys get it? Watermelon, sugar, hi. It's so cute. I feel like 10 to 10. I definitely thought it was an ice cube for, you know, the first 10 seconds when I opened up the gift, but it's not. It's watermelon sugar high. So that is all of my July favorites. I'm sorry that I've been so inconsistent this month with filming and posting. I've just had so much going on, but I promise y'all this next month it's going to be back to normal. So I hope you're ready for more content. If there's any videos you've been missing of mine, let me know. But that is pretty much everything. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Like I said, I'll have their link and my discount code down below. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.